Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve speaking skill again using a short story as the topic of conversation. Well, this story is related to the use of simple past tense. We use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. Well, to improve speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Carol Lee is talking about herself. One day, I bought a newspaper and saw an ad. The ad said a travel agency in Greenwood Village needed one person with two foreign languages. Of course, I can speak Chinese. I can also speak Italian and Spanish. I studied them in college. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Did Carol buy a newspaper? What did she see in the newspaper? Did she see an ad in the paper? What did the ad say? Can Carol speak Chinese? Can she speak Italian? Can she speak Spanish? What about you? What foreign languages can you speak? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.